So Scott, it's time for me to downsize. Tell me about what I should consider when it comes to condos.
Easy. For me, it's all about three things. It's about the location, it's about the layout, and of course, it's all about the view. And today, our newest listing has the best of all three all rolled into one.
That's right, we've got all that and more on today's episode.
All right, Brandon, we're back in Nautica condominiums. Now tell me, in your opinion, why is this building always in such high demand?
Well, Scotty, for me, it's gotta be the location. You've got everything you need right out your front door. Starting with Centennial Beach just across the road with an amazing boardwalk, and right beyond the marina is one of the best parts of Barrie, and that's definitely the downtown core. With your coffee, your fresh baked bread, you've got shops, and some of the best evening entertainment and dining you could ask for.
Definitely tough to beat, but I gotta tell you, the amenity list in the condo building is what keeps people coming back again and again. It truly has everything. We're talking the pool, the hot tub, the sauna, a fitness facility, not one, but two party rooms. You've got a games room, two guest suites. It truly has it all. Whatever you're looking for, A to Z, this building has it covered. Plus, we got a magnificent suite that comes along with it. Let's head upstairs and check out 511. Welcome inside the 5th floor Key West model. Now, we've seen a lot of condo layouts as we show different buildings up and down our beautiful waterfront. But as buyers see different buildings and different layouts, they always land right back here on the Key West model. And that's easily because of the amount of natural light in this suite. We've got over 20 feet of glass in behind me here, all overlooking gorgeous Kempenfelt Bay. You've got sunrise and sunset from this suite, which is such a rarity. In addition to that, we got 1,259 square feet of complete open concept design, 9-foot ceilings, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It just makes an incredibly functional space that's ideal for all you downsizers out there.
If you're familiar with the Key West model, you know that you have one of the best primary suites in the building. Starting with what you can see out the window, as soon as your head comes off the pillow in the morning, you're looking right at the lake. You've got 2 closets, one being a large walk-in, but I want to talk about the things that are elevated in this unit. You've got engineered hardwood and tile throughout the whole thing, a renovated bathroom with a walk-in shower, that's right, no tub, but a walk-in shower, and the best part has to be this second exit onto your massive balcony.
Now, even the most exceptional condo layout is not complete without some incredible outdoor space to go along with it. And let me tell you, this is another reason this Key West model is so popular. It's the largest balcony in the entire building. It's got a completely glass finished railing. My favorite part of this particular one is the composite decking system down. It's such a clean, modern look, and it all comes with an incredible view to boot.
Yeah, that's right, Scotty. The balcony is fantastic, but what's behind us is even better. Let's start at the morning. You've got a great view right down the bay, looking at the sunrise, and then you've got the eco park behind you, which means there will never be another building there blocking your view. It is completely protected. Now you can come to the end of the balcony and see the sunset at the end of the day, and at that point you've got the amazing cityscape and the marina right behind you. Incredible lights. Again, a fantastic spot to finish off your day.
You simply can't beat this kind of view and a balcony like this. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know waterfront condos, and for more information on this listing and others, check out our website.